Um, Hello, my name is Sumit Maheshwari, and I recently completed my PhD from Electrical and Computer Engineering Department. I was a TA for almost 5 semesters, and here is my advice on how to deal with your first day, or what should you do on your day one. And as you know, like this is your sort of a day one here at Red Girls, or maybe you're a first time TA, so day one of your TAing, and that's why you are sitting here in this orientation. So here what I do on my day one: first, dress formally, and that goes without saying that if your students sees a mentor or a teacher in you, they would treat you that way. And if they see someone who might know something, might not know something, or is not so professional, not so organized, might treat you differently. So first things first, first impression is all, it always matters, right? So we first things first is that you have to dress formally, present yourself well, be organized. I know there are a lot of things I told in one sentence. Be organized. And what do I mean by be organized? You have to organize yourself in such a way that you can handle your day one properly by preparing in advance to deal with what material you are gonna cover that day and what questions they might ask. So you might wanna refresh. Sometimes what happens is you think you know stuff, but you have not revised it for so long, and that material is not very familiar to you. So what you can do is jot down some notes, revise it, prepare yourself better for day one, so that you can answer as many questions you might have on that day. All right, next, you want to set your ground rules properly on day one. So if you want to allow you know mm, submission of assignments a week late, if it is fine by you, set that right. If you want your assignments to be submitted exactly on the same day, you have to make that right. So all those ground rules you have to make sure that they are set on day one, because that's the day when, believe it or not, students will gonna take you most seriously. So day one is when they are gonna think, hey, we do not know this guy, and let's try to understand you. And then you try to fill up that gap as the semester approaches towards the end. But the day one is when you are standing a little bit far away from there. So whatever message you want to give them, just give them that day. Tell them, hey, I will not accept late submissions, and if you submit late, I will deduct these many points from your assignments or homeworks or whatever project submissions you might be dealing with. What other things you might want to do on day one? Well, it's not possible if you have a large class, but try to remember names of people. Well, you cannot do it on one day, in one day, but try to at least memorize 5 to 10 names, and this definitely helps. And if you encounter someone comes and asks you a question on day one, and if you and call them by their name, they would really think that you care about them, and that's what you want to leave as an impression, right? And day one, and of course in the end also. So other than that, I know you can do a lot of things, but the time is limited. All I would say is, like, be prepared, uh, organize yourself, be timely, like schedule or plan your things properly, and be professional. That's all from me. Thank you.